Hey everybody, I'm Mr. V.
And I'm Mr. Bob.
And these are Mr. Bob's Summer at Sacred Heart tips for summer fun.
He was drinking the next.
For this experiment, you'll need kitchen tongs, a slotted spoon, an eyedropper or pipette, water, and a vase or cup. The tongs represent the beak of a kiwi bird. The slotted spoon represents the beak of a duck or pelican. The eyedropper represents the beak of a hummingbird. Conclusion: to remove nectar from a flower, the hummingbird has the best beak adaptation.
He's doing exactly.
Experience this and much more at Summer at Sacred Heart.